In the United States film industry, Hollywood, there is no single official number one actor or actress, because rankings depend on different factors such as box office earnings, awards, global popularity, and current influence. However, based on recent years and overall performance, several names stand out as the biggest stars. By total box office earnings, Zoe Saldana is considered one of the most successful actresses in Hollywood history. She has played major roles in blockbuster franchises such as Avatar and Avengers, Endgame, and the combined earnings of her films have reached billions of dollars worldwide, making her one of the highest-grossing actors of all time. Among leading male actors, Leonardo DiCaprio remains one of the most respected and influential stars in Hollywood. He is an Academy Award winner for his role in The Revenant and is also globally recognized for his iconic performance in Titanic. He continues to work in high-profile and critically acclaimed film.